Hello students, I am going to continue with the chapter trigonometry part 2 of 11th science. So today we learn some the formulas related to the triangle. So you know the sum angle property of the triangle means in triangle ABC, you know that the sum of measure of all angles of the triangle is 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. So here I don't take this sine angle. So A plus B plus C is equals to 180. So we're taking A plus B and moving this C to this side, so 180 minus C. After that I am going to take the sine of both sides. So sine A plus B is equals to sine 180 minus C. So you learn the formula, that is sine pi minus C is nothing but the sine C. So in this way we can find out the formula of the remaining angles also, that is sum angles. So sine A plus B is equals to, from this we derive this, that is sine C. Similarly, we can find the formulas for the remaining angles, that is sin B plus C is also sin A. मतलब यहाँ पे A एंड B एंगल मैंने लिया है तो यहाँ पे थर्ड एंगल आता है, तो यहाँ पे B एंड C है, कौन सा नहीं है वो एंगल यहाँ पे आता है, दैट इज sin A. सिमिलरली C प्लस A, तो कौन सा एंगल नहीं है यहाँ पे B, तो यहाँ पे आ गया sin B. So these are the formulas related to this 180, that is 180 minus C. So sin A plus B is equals to sin C, sin B plus C is equals to sin A, and sin A plus C is equals to sin B. And same formula we have to apply for the cos. So what will happen if we take the cos? So instead of writing sin, we take here cos. So cos A plus B is equals to cos 180 minus C. See the same line. यहाँ पे दोनों साइड पे मैंने sin लिया है, यहाँ पे दोनों साइड पे मैंने cos लिया है. तो आपको पता है दैट इज cos 180 माइनस सी इज माइनस cos सी. सो द फॉर्मूला इज द सेम, जस्ट देयर इज अ चेंज इन द साइन. सो cos A प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस cos सी, cos B प्लस सी इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस cos A, एंड cos A प्लस सी इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस cos B. यहाँ पे जो एंगल नहीं है वो एंगल हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं B प्लस सी, तो यहाँ पे A आ जाएगा, A प्लस सी मतलब B नहीं है तो B यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. अगर यहाँ पे cos है और यहाँ पे आंसर cos है तो सबको माइनस साइन आता है. After that, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus C is equals to 180. So A plus B plus C is equals to 180. A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. We are dividing both sides by 2. So A plus B upon 2 is equals to 180 minus C upon 2. So A plus B upon 2 is equals to, we are separating these 2 for both the terms. So 180 upon 2, that is 90, and C upon 2. मतलब A plus B upon 2 is equals to 90 minus C by 2. So A plus B upon 2 is equals to 90 minus C by 2. So taking sign for both sides, so sin A plus B upon 2 is equals to sin 90 minus C by 2. So what is the difference between these formulas and this formula? So in this formula we are taking here 180 minus C, and in this formulas we are taking 90 minus C. So you know that is complementary angle formula that you learn in 9th standard or 10th standard. So sin A plus B upon 2, that is sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. तो अगर A plus B upon 2 होता है तो यहाँ पे sin के बदले cos आ जाता है, और अगर यहाँ पे 180 minus C होता है तो sin A plus B, मतलब sin A plus B is equals to sin C, and sin A plus B upon 2 is equals to cos C by 2. सेम दैट इज B प्लस C अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू cos A बाई 2. यहाँ पे जो एंगल नहीं है उसका हाफ एंगल यहाँ पे आता है, एंड sin C प्लस A अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू cos B बाई 2. एंड सेम वी हैव टेकन फॉर द cos. अगर इसके बदले मतलब sin A प्लस B अपॉन 2 के बदले यहाँ पे cos आ जाता है तो हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, दैट इज cos A प्लस B. सेम फॉर्मूला मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, cos A प्लस B अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू cos 90 माइनस थीटा. तो cos A प्लस B अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू sin C by 2, cos B plus C upon 2 that is equals to sin A by 2, and cos A plus C upon 2 is equals to sin B by 2. So these are the formulas related to the exercise 3.5. So we start with the exercise. So exercise 3.5, the example is in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equals to pi, that is 180. Then show that. So these are the examples of the show that. मतलब आपको LHS भी दिया गया है, RHS भी दिया गया है. सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व द LHS एंड फाइंड आउट द RHS. or you can solve RHS and find out the answer that of LHS. तो एग्जाम्पल है cos 2a प्लस cos 2b प्लस cos 2c इज इक्वल्स टू -1 -4 cos a इंटू cos b इंटू cos c. तो ये हमें सॉल्व करके देना है. तो cos 2a प्लस cos 2b प्लस cos 2c मैंने LHS लिया है. इन दोनों के लिए मैंने फॉर्मूला लगाया, दैट इज़ cos c प्लस cos d का फॉर्मूला हम लगाए थे. तो आपको फॉर्मूला पता है, दैट इज़ 2 cos c प्लस d अपॉन 2 इंटू cos c माइनस d अपॉन 2. तो 2 cos c कौन है यहाँ पे 2a, सो 2a प्लस 2b अपॉन 2 इंटू cos 2a माइनस 2b अपॉन 2 एंड दिस cos 2c इज एज इट इज़. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस व्हाट वी गेट, सो 2 cos, इसमें से हम 2 कॉमन निकालेंगे, ये 2 और ये नीचे वाला 2 कैंसिल होगा, तो a प्लस बी इंटू कॉस, यहाँ पर भी सेम 2 कॉमन होगा, नीचे का 2 उससे क्या कैंसिल होगा, cos a माइनस बी. एंड यहाँ पे हम cos 2 थीटा का फॉर्मूला पुट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ 2 cos स्क्वेयर थीटा माइनस 1. इंस्टेड ऑफ थीटा हियर वी हैव टू राइट ऑन c, सो 2 cos स्क्वेयर c माइनस 1. सो ये जो लास्ट वाला -1 है वो मैंने आगे लिया है. क्यों लिया है, बिकॉज हमें जो शो करना है उसमें -1 आगे है, तो -1 को सिर्फ मैंने आगे लिया है, उस साइड को नहीं लिया है. सो देर इज़ नो चेंज इन द साइन, सो -1 एज इट इज़. ये लास्ट में था तो उसको मैंने फर्स्ट में लिखा है, बाकी सब एज इट इज़. अभी देखो cos a प्लस बी, अभी हमने जो फॉर्मूले सीखे, दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला फॉर cos a प्लस बी, इट इज़ नथिंग बट माइनस cos c. तो सेम फॉर्मूला मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ करूँगी, दैट इज़ इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग cos a प्लस बी -2 cos c इंटू cos a माइनस बी प्लस cos स्क्वेयर c. ये वाला ऐसे ही रहेगा, -1 आगे आया है. अभी -1 -2, ये जो दोनों टर्म्स है यहाँ पे cos c, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक और यहाँ ये वाला, इसमें से मैंने cos c कॉमन लिया है, -2 एज इट इज़. cos c कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, cos a माइनस बी एंड माइनस भी साइन कॉमन है, तो 2 भी कॉमन है इसमें से, सो -2 cos c कॉमन है. तो यहाँ पे बैलेंस क्या रह जाएगा, प्लस का माइनस हो जाएगा, और 2 cos c है यहाँ पे, cos स्क्वेयर c मतलब, तो 1 cos c इज बैलेंस हियर. सो -1 -2 cos c cos a माइनस बी माइनस cos c. तो यहाँ पर भी हम क्या करने वाले हैं, देखो ये दोनों टर्म्स एज इट इज़, दैट इज़ -1 -2 cos c, ये टर्म ऐसे ही रहेगा. अभी देखो ये माइनस cos c, तो माइनस cos c जो आंसर आया था वो था, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग माइनस cos c वी हैव टू राइट डाउन cos a प्लस बी, बिकॉज इट इज़ द फॉर्मूला फॉर cos a प्लस बी. सो cos a प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस cos c. So instead of writing this minus cos c, we replace this minus cos c by cos a plus b. And now the formula for this one, that is cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, having the formula that is 2 cos a into cos b. So we writing that is -1 as it is, -2 cos a as it is. And for this bracket, we are going to write down the formula that is 2 cos a into cos b. And now the last state, that is -1 -2 into 2 and then cos a into cos b into cos c. And so the last answer, that is -1 -4 cos a into cos b into cos c. That is nothing but the RHS. Now the next example, that is example number 2, that is sin a into sin b plus sin c is equals to 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. So the LHS is sin a plus sin b plus sin c. So first we are going to apply the formula for these two, that is sin a plus sin b. So 2 sin a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2, and the sin c is as it is. So now applying the same formula, that is the triangle formula, that is 2 sin a plus b upon 2. So see the formula, that is sin a plus b upon 2 is nothing but cos c by 2. So we are applying here, that is sin a plus b by 2 is equals to cos c by 2. This cos a minus b upon 2 as it is. And you know the formula for sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta. And here we are applying the half angle formula. So sin c is equals to 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. So 2 cos c by 2 cos a minus b upon 2 plus sin c by 2. So here we taking the common, that is 2 cos c by 2 is common from these two terms. So these are the two terms, and from these two terms we taking the common, that is 2 cos c by 2. So in bracket we will get cos a minus b upon 2 plus, now see, sin c by 2, because 2 cos c by 2 we taking common. So 2 cos c by 2 in bracket cos a minus b upon 2 plus cos a plus b upon 2, because sin c by 2 is the answer of cos a plus b upon 2. Just I am going to show, that is sin c by 2 is the answer of cos a plus b upon 2. So it is cos a plus b upon 2. Now 2 cos c by 2 into 2 cos, now here we are applying the formula for cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So the formula is 2 cos a minus b upon 2 plus, so this is the formula, that is cos c plus cos d is nothing but 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. Here we are applying the formulas, listen carefully, cos c plus cos d, and the formula for this one is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. So c, that is a minus b upon 2 plus d, that is a plus b upon 2, yeah, total upon 2 into cos a minus b minus a plus b upon 2, total divided by 2. And the next one we get, that is 2 cos c by 2 into 2 cos, just we taking the LCM, and here the answer is, the b cancel with this b, and in this case that is a cancel with this minus a. So finally here we get, that is 2a, and here we get, that is minus 2b. So the next step is 2 cos c by 2 into 2 cos 2a upon 2 total divided by 2 into cos minus 2b upon 2 and total divided by 2. So this 2 cancel with this 2, and this 2 cancel with this 2. So the remaining terms are 2 into 2, that is 4 cos c by 2 into cos a by 2 into cos minus b by 2. And you know that is the negative angle of cos is always positive. So 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. That is nothing but the RHS. Now see the third example, that is in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equals to pi. Then show that, that is cos a plus cos b minus cos c is equals to 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2 minus 1. So this is where to show. And so we are taking the LHS, that is cos a plus cos b minus cos c. And now we are applying the formula for cos a plus cos b, that is nothing but 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. You can put the bracket for this one also. And this minus cos c, we write the formula for cos c, that is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. But here we are applying the half angle formula, so we get here, that is cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Just using the same formula here. So 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. So after that again we are going to use this formula, that is cos a plus b upon 2. So see the formula, that is cos a plus b upon 2 is nothing but sin c by 2. So we are going to use here, that is sin c by 2. This term is as it is, and minus 1 minus minus plus 2 sin square c by 2. After that 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b upon 2, and after that we get here, that is 2. We multiplying the 2. So 2 sin square c by 2, we write this term at first and minus 1 in the last. So we taking here, see this is a one group and this is the second group. So from these both groups we can take common, that is 2 sin c by 2. So in bracket we will get, that is cos a minus b upon 2 plus sin c upon 2, and this minus 1 is as it is. Again we are going to apply the formula for this one. So 2 sin c by 2. So cos a minus b upon 2 as it is, and again the value of sin c by 2. See, sin c by 2 is nothing but cos a plus b upon 2. So sin c by 2 is nothing but cos a plus b upon 2 minus 1 as it is. So 2 sin c by 2. Again we are going to use the formula for this one, and also we are going to use the LCM. So the cos a plus a minus b upon 2 total divided by 2 minus 1. So 2 sin c by 2, 2 cos. Now taking the LCM, that is a plus b plus a minus b upon 2 into cos. So we are going to use the formula, that is 2 cos a into cos b. So 2 cos a plus b minus a minus plus b upon 2. And now the next term, that is 2 sin c by 2, 2 cos 2a upon 2 into 2 and cos 2b upon 2 into 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. Similarly here 2 will get cancelled, and so we get, that is 2 sin c by 2, 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 minus 1. And that is what we have to show, that is the last step, that is 4 cos a by 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4, that is cos a by 2 cos b by 2 and sin c by 2. This bracket is totally multiplied by this 2 sin c by 2, so we get this one, and this minus 1 is as it is, and that is nothing but the RHS, and so LHS equals to RHS. So here we finish the first 3 examples from the exercise 3.5, and the remaining examples we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.